In today's fast-changing economy, relying solely on one source of income is no longer safe or sustainable. Whether it's the risk of job loss, inflation, or rising living costs, depending on a single paycheck can leave you vulnerable. That's why building multiple income streams has become essential not just for financial security, but for long-term wealth creation and freedom. But creating several income streams isn't about chasing every money-making idea you see online. It's about aligning opportunities with your unique skills, interests, time availability, and lifestyle. That's what makes the income sustainable, enjoyable, and scalable. But before we start, I will like you to like, share and subscribe to this channel, so that whenever we drop a video like this you become one of the first person to be notified. 1. Start with self-discovery. Before jumping into income ideas, it's important to understand who you are and what fits into your life. Ask yourself, what are your strongest skills? What are you passionate about? What does your typical day look like? How much time can you realistically invest? Do you prefer active work or passive income? Are you a creative, a tech person, a planner, a leader, or a helper? When you choose income streams that suit your natural abilities and schedule, you're more likely to stick with them, grow them, and enjoy the journey. 2. Categorize your skills and interests. To better align income streams with your lifestyle, group your skills into categories such as creative skills, writing, design, music, photography; tech skills, coding, digital tools, IT, data analysis; people skills, teaching, customer service, sales; organizational skills, planning, administration, time management; analytical skills, finance, research, critical thinking. Once you know your strengths, you can match them to the right type of income source. 3. Understand the types of income streams. There are several ways to earn money, and each one serves a different purpose in your financial plan. A. Active income. You work and get paid. Examples: a 9-to-5 job, freelance gigs, coaching services. B. Semi-passive income. You set up a system that generates money with minimal maintenance. Examples: selling digital products, affiliate marketing, content monetization. C. Passive income. Income that flows in with little or no daily effort after the initial setup. Examples: real estate rental, investments, royalties. A balanced mix of these types gives you both short-term cash and long-term growth. 4. Build income streams that match your skills. Here are income ideas matched to different skills and lifestyles. A. For writers and communicators. Freelance writing, offer content writing, blogging, or copywriting on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or directly to businesses. Start a blog or YouTube channel, monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or digital product sales. Self-publish ebooks or guides, sell on Amazon Kindle or your website. B. For creatives. Graphic design, freelance art, offer logo design, branding, or illustrations online. Sell digital products, templates, presets, planners, and art prints on sites like Etsy or Gumroad. Photography, sell stock photos or offer event photo shoot services locally. C. For organizers and planners. Virtual assistant services, help business owners with email management, calendar scheduling, or social media. Event planning, organize small events or online webinars. Online course creation, if you have expertise in a field, create and sell a course on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. D. For teachers and coaches. Online tutoring, teach students in subjects you're good at via Zoom or platforms like Preply. Life or career coaching, help others improve personally or professionally. You can charge per session or sell programs. Membership groups or communities, create a monthly subscription-based group around a shared interest or goal. E for tech-savvy individuals. Website building, offer services to small businesses needing affordable sites. Mobile app or software development, build and sell your own app or SaaS software as a service product. Coding courses or tutorials, teach others how to code through YouTube, a blog, or an online course. F for analytical minds. Stock investing or trading, build a long-term portfolio or use dividend stocks for passive income. Cryptocurrency and NFTs, only for those who understand the risks and technology. Freelance research or data analysis, offer services to academics, businesses, or content creators. G for those with time and hustle energy. Dropshipping or e-commerce, sell products without holding inventory. Use Shopify or Jumia for setup. Delivery or transport services, use your bike, car, or Keek for delivery or logistics. Online reselling, buy low and sell high on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. Before we proceed, like, share, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future content on money, mindset, and wealth creation. 5. Combine for balance, a sample strategy. To illustrate how this all comes together, here's a sample 3-stream income plan for a teacher. Stream 1, active income, full-time teaching job. Stream 2, semi-passive income, sell digital lesson plans or ebooks for students. Stream 3, passive income, invest part of income into a mutual fund or real estate savings plan. This mix gives them stability, some creative fulfillment, and long-term wealth growth. 6 tools to help you get started. You don't need to be an expert to begin. Use tools that simplify the process. Canva, for creating designs and digital products. Teachable Gumroad, for selling courses and downloads. Fiverr Upwork, for freelancing. Paystack Flutterwave, for accepting online payments. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, for growing your audience and brand. These tools remove many technical and financial barriers, helping you start faster. 7. How to manage multiple streams without burnout. Here are tips to balance everything. Start with one stream at a time. Build one until it's stable before adding another. Automate where possible. Use scheduling tools, autoresponders, and passive platforms. Outsource small tasks. If your income allows, hire help for editing, customer service, or design. Set working hours. Treat your side hustle like a job to stay disciplined. Take breaks. Don't chase money so hard that you neglect health or relationships. 8. Avoid common mistakes. Don't jump into trends blindly. Just because it's hot doesn't mean it fits you. Avoid overcommitting. Too many projects will drain you and affect quality. Don't ignore taxes. Know the rules in your country about multiple income reporting. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start small and learn as you grow. 9. Track your income and growth. Create a simple income tracker using a notebook or Excel sheet. Track what each stream earns monthly. How much time each one takes. Which stream is growing or not. Expenses related to each income source. This helps you double down on what's working and let go of what's not. 10. Reinvest into your future. Once your income grows, reinvest some of it into better tools or equipment. Online courses to upgrade skills. Marketing your services or brand. Long-term investments like stocks or real estate. Reinvestment is key to scaling your income and building wealth, not just surviving. Conclusion: build with purpose. Creating multiple income streams is more than just making extra cash. It's about designing a life where money flows from your talents, passions, and values. It's about freedom, stability, and creating options for your future. Start with what you know. Grow with what you learn. Align each stream with your lifestyle so it doesn't feel like stress but a natural part of who you are. No one becomes wealthy by chance. They create systems that reflect their strengths and multiply their opportunities. So ask yourself today, what can I start that fits my skills and life and grow into something that changes my future forever? Would you before you go, like, share, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future content on money, mindset, and wealth creation. Thanks for watching.